Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Windows Update standalone installer is stuck on searching for updates on this computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to go ahead and open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath other troubleshooters, go ahead and left click on it. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter and then the run button. And then hopefully I should have been able to resolve the problem. One further thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now you want to go ahead and type in SFC followed by a space / scan now. Scan now is all one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And then I recommend restarting your computer. And now if you attempt to run the standalone installer again, you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.